So you might be wondering how to exactly fix Ubisoft Connect launcher if it's not working or not opening here. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, sometimes Ubisoft Connect here or certain apps, especially launchers, would actually get stuck in what we call boot cycle or the booting stage. So typically, if it does happen, or if the app is or actually malfunctions during boot, well, this is kind of hard to fix if you don't know what to do. So first things first is you want to guarantee that the app is not running in the background. So you want to go and open up or press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, or you want to go and just search for Task Manager. And inside Task Manager, you want to go and look for Ubisoft Connect. Now, typically in here, it's going to be running in the background. Now, once you do see that, you want to go and just right click on it and just click on End Task. Now, you want to do this for every app of Ubisoft Connect that you are seeing in here. And once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to launch the actual app or the launcher for it. So you want to go ahead and just go to search. Just type in the following. It's going to be Ubisoft. And once you do see Ubisoft Connect, you want to go and just right click on it, and you want to go and just click on Open File Location. Now you should see Ubisoft Connect here, but we're not done yet. You want to go and just right click on it again, click on the option that says Open File Location again, and you should see Ubisoft Connect.exe. Now since we've closed every Ubisoft Connect instance in Task Manager, you should be able to safely open this up. But what you need to do is you want to go and run this as administrator. So right click on them, choose the Run as Administrator option, and you want to do this for every Ubisoft.exe file that you are going to see here, like Ubisoft Extension, Game Launcher, and Game Launcher 64.exe. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and just close this window, and that should solve your issue. And that's about it. So if this doesn't work, well, or if the issue is still persisting, I would highly recommend you to restart your PC and see if that helps. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.